What? Hey everyone, Martijn here, and today we're diving into the Dreame X50 Ultra Complete, a robot cleaner that's packed with smart AI technology and innovative features. If you're looking for effortlessly cleaning your whole house, then look no further because this might be your dream machine. Stick around to see it in action and find out why this is a game changer. Let's start with the whole home cleaning. The X50 Ultra, powered by advanced AI, intelligently navigates your home using its new Versa Lift navigation system. Unlike previous models or many competitors, this system leverages real-time 3D mapping and adaptive obstacle detection to create the most efficient cleaning path. Plus, it enables cleaning in hard-to-reach areas, making it easy to clean under sofas, beds, and so much more. Additionally, all navigation data is stored locally, ensuring your privacy and that no information is uploaded to the cloud. One feature I want to highlight is the robotic arm. This is definitely a game changer. This allows the X50 Ultra Complete to tackle obstacles up to 6 centimeters, whether it's transitioning in my house, for example, from the kitchen to the garage, or crossing high thresholds you find when entering the bathroom, and even reaches spaces as low as 8.9 centimeters. Whether it's carpets, tiles, or hardwood floors, this innovation ensures seamless navigation between different areas of your home. Plus, thanks to the LDS, the laser distance sensor, the X50 Ultra Complete adjusts its height automatically, ensuring optical mapping accuracy and coverage even in homes with uneven floors or tall furniture. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's jump right into the heart of the Dreame X50 or X50 Ultra Complete, the incredible cleaning power. Here on the right, you'll see all the specifications in detail, with upgraded suction power, an industry-first dual detangling brush design, and a smart cleaning strategy through the Dreame App. It effortlessly tackles debris, picks up hair insanely well, and even cleans those hard-to-reach nooks. But it's not just about cleaning, it's also about how you keep your robot in a tip-top shape. Let's take a look at the auto maintenance features that makes the Dreame robot so low effort. The upgraded base station uses water spray cleaning and UV light to remove bacteria, keeping the station spotless and ensuring optimal performance every time. Control is a breeze thanks to the Dreame app. Scheduled cleanings, adjust settings, or check the robot's progress, all from your phone. This app's intuitive interface allows you to customize cleaning zones, set no-go areas, and even create multi-floor maps. This level of control not only enhances convenience, but also ensures that every cleaning session is tailored to your needs. Plus, the X50 Ultra Complete automatically returns to its docking station after each cleaning cycle, making the entire process truly hands-free. The convenience doesn't end there. Let's see how it performs in real-life situations. Whether it's pet hairs on carpets or stubborn stains on hard floors, the results speak for themselves. One of my favorite features is the AceClean DryBoard. After washing the mop, it stays spotless without any manual scrubbing, which is not only saving you time but also helps to extend the lifespan of the mop by ensuring it dries quickly and remains hygienic for future use. A quick wipe leaves it dry and ready for the next use. Now, before we wrap up, let's talk about the launch discount. The Dreame X50 Ultra Complete is available starting January 15, 2025 with a limited time discount only until January 21st, 2025. So, if you're in the market for a new robot cleaner, this is your chance. And in case you're gonna order one, this is what to expect from the unboxing. Spoiler alert, it's a lot. First of all, it's a big and heavy box, and that's because Dreame included literally everything into it. So after removing many boxes, we get to the base station. Next up is this little ramp. Then we've got the robot itself. And with the X50 Ultra Complete package, you also get a ton of extras, including the cleaning solution, extra mop pads, and many spare parts. Last but not least is this box that includes stuff like the power cable and documentation. There you have it, the Dreame X50 Ultra Complete. A cleaner, smarter home is basically just a tap away, thanks to its new AI features as well as the upgraded hardware. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up or consider subscribing if you want to see more like this. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and if you want to see more Dreamy videos, click over here by the way. It's another product I've tested from them. Anyways, that's it. Catch you in the next one.